Hello YouTube land. I'm gonna have another quick tip for you for protecting your outboard during the winter. And you see the way this outboard's tilted up. I have the prop off. Actually, I'm gonna be taking this engine off and replacing it with another one. That's a story in itself. However, if you have a through hub prop like this, what happens all too often is people leave it tilted up like this, and like I'm facing a plummeting temperature. Now, this lower unit, I completely, I just did a water pump. I did a whole bunch of work on it, including cleaning the draining passages. But quite often, the drain on these things are clogged. Then the rainwater gets in there, fills it up, and then when you get a heavy freeze, the expanding ice cracks the case, and you got to buy an expensive new lower unit. You are essentially not going on the water. So what you do is, leave it tilted up when you got to do all your maneuvering, but when you get the boat in its resting place, especially in the winter, tilt it down, which I am about to do on here. Hopefully, I gotta see. Okay, where's that lever? Okay, let me see if I could do this. Let me see, guys, if I can go on phone and do this. Take 1 second. Anyway, I hope you guys can see that. Yikes. Anyway, there, it's down. I don't have to worry about freezing, even though I ran into all kinds of problems with this. Outboard. I did, do a lot of work on the lower unit. I changed the oil, put new gaskets in, the whole 9 yards. What else? Changed the oil, all of that. And long story short, I don't want to lose the lower unit because that is still a very valuable piece of machinery that I will most likely sell. But yeah, if you don't want to destroy your lower unit, whenever you get your boat situated, wherever you're going to have it parked, drop your lower unit, because you don't want to take a chance on water backing up in that thing. I've been fortunate because I cleaned all my passages, and I was pretty pleased, even though we had a torrential downpour. My interior of the outdrive was dry, which means that my drains are all clear and working properly. However, I'm not going to leave it to chance. And anyway, that's the story, and I will be posting more valuable content in the future. Hopefully you find this valuable. And I guess that's it for this one. Peace out.